Give them the rights, the power and the tools.
Modern world has distanced us from nature. However, nature is still of infinite richness for humanity.
Mistakes made by fools, and no one in caring for.
Whether it be one's priority or not, it is crucial to acknowledge the interrelation of modern man and nature. 60% of anti-cancer drugs put on the market by the USDA during the last 50 years have originated from plants. In the 50s, we were 2.5 billion humans. Today, we're more than 7 billion, and we're likely to be more than 10 billion by the end of the century. This growth brings threats and even causes animal and vegetal species to disappear. It is a permanent loss for humanity. The human being can, however, overcome this stage of being the overconsumer of natural resources by becoming a responsible steward of his environment. Economists themselves agree that in order to keep the natural capital, it is crucial to create a link between the international private sector and the local communities. Man in Nature is a non-profit organization which bases its expertise on tens of years of experience. It has demonstrated that good management of natural resources can benefit local communities and international economies simultaneously, while at the same time support conservation actions. To listen to and understand industrial constraints while respecting traditional knowledge and local culture is possible. Is it not our responsibility to unite our efforts to ensure the maintenance of the natural potential for humankind? Within Man and Nature, we are convinced that everyone can contribute to this undeniable challenge right now.
The power